Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is in fact the key to success. If you love what you're doing, you'll be successful. Today, let's discuss about percentages. Percentages are fractions where denominator is 100. The name itself suggests that, right? Percent means per 100. So 60% means what? 60 by 100. 45% means 45 by 100 and so on. So what if you are asked to find 60% of 4,000? 60% of 4,000, what will we do? We'll cancel these zeros. I'll be getting 60 into 40. That is 2,400 will get, right? So instead of going like this, instead of going for this calculation, you can easily find it out by simply looking into the question itself. That is, just multiply this 6 and 4. What will be getting there? 24. Now consider values like 24, 240 and 2,400. That is values that are less than 4,000 you have to consider. Okay, so what will be? Now what you have to apply is a simple logic. What will be 60% of 4,000 here? It is only this value is possible, right? 2,400 is possible. So I'll tell one more example so that you can get it more clear. For example, 25% of 400. What we have to do is just multiply this 25 into 4. What will be getting there? 100. Now you can consider this 10 and 100 here because these two values are less than 400. But by applying simple logic, we can easily conclude that 25% of 400 is nothing but 100. Alright, now we'll discuss some application level question in percentages. Question number 1. Two students appeared in an examination. One of them secured 9 marks more than the other and his marks was 56% of the sum of their marks. Find the marks obtained by them. So here it is given two students have appeared the exam and one has secured a particular mark and the other one has secured 9 marks more than him. So let the marks be x and x plus 9. Okay, now what else is given? One of them secured 9 marks more than the other and his marks was 56% of the sum of their marks. That is, this x plus 9 is 56% the sum of these two. So how will we write it? X plus 9 is equal to 56% of x plus 9. That is this two sum we have written here. Okay, now let's solve this. So what will be getting? X plus 9 is equal to 56% of x plus x is what? 2x plus 9. Now we'll shift this 100 to this side. So we'll get 100x plus 900 is equal to 56 into 2x means 112x plus 56 into 9 will get 504. Okay, now on solving this 112x minus 100 we have to take and this 900 minus 504 we have to take. So what will be getting? 12x is equal to 900 minus 504. So here will be getting 396. That is 12x is equal to 396. So that means x is equal to 396 by 12. That is 33. So we got x is equal to 33. So what will be x plus 9? 33 plus 9. That is 42 will be getting. So these are the two marks, 33 and 42. So which is the right option? Option C is the right one. Now let's discuss another question. Question number 2. A fruit seller had some apples. He sells 40% apples and still has 420 apples. Originally, he had dash apples. So initially the fruit seller is having some apples. That value is not given. So let it be x. Okay, now what else is given? He sells 40% of apples and still has 420 apples. So that means x minus 40% of apples is equal to what? 40% of x is equal to 420. That is, he sells 40% of apples means x minus 40% of x is 420. Okay. Now what is this 40% of x? X minus 40 by 100, x is equal to 420. Now what will be getting x minus 40% means 60%. 60% x. So how do we get the 60%? We have took 100 as the LCM here. So we'll get 100x minus 40x. That is what called the 60% of x. It is equal to 420. Now x is equal to what? 420 into 100 by 60. So on cancelling these and all, we'll be getting 700. X is equal to 700. That means total there were 700 apples. So option D is the right answer. Third question. If 20% of A is equal to B, then B% of 20 is same as what? So what is given here? 20% of A is equal to B. And what you are asked to find? B% of 20. Alright, so it is already given 20% of A is B, right? So how can we write this B% of 20? B by 100 into 20. Now substitute this 20% of A in place of B. So what will be right here? 20 by 100 into A whole divided by this 100 into this 20 will write. Okay, now this we can write as 20 by 100 into A into this whole divided by 100, we can write it as 1 by 100 into 20. So on solving this, we will be getting 20, that is 400 A by 100 into 100, that is 4 by 100 A will get. So what is this 4 by 100 A? 4% of A. 4% of A. So that means B% of 20 is equal to 4% of A. So that is the answer. So option A is the right answer here. Hope you got an idea about percentages. Thank you.